Hi, I'm Yoginder and welcome to this video. In today's video, my topic of discussion will be something which I feel generates a lot of interest in the C-suite when they are setting up their data and analytics teams within their organization. And the topic is that what is the best structure or the best team structure when they are embarking on this journey. Now, in my experience, I've seen three models that work fairly well. The first model is what we call as the COE or the Center of Excellence, and it's a completely centralized model. In this model, we have all the resources such as the people, the processes, and the tools, which are basically in that COE. And the COE reports to the CDO or the Chief Data Officer. And each BU or let's say each function works very closely with this COE. Now, as you can see that this model has some sort of inefficiencies, which include the time it takes to let's say execute one project, and also some sort of bureaucratic hurdles are also set up in this model. Having said that, sometimes when companies are trying to test the waters in this domain, they tend to start with this model and then tweak this model as and when they grow. Now, the next model is basically what we call as the completely decentralized way of working, which is that each BU or each function has its own team where they have their own data scientists, their machine learning engineers, and other team members. Now, the reason this model works well is because they are free to choose any projects they want to pursue, and there is no org level, I would say, sort of approval required for them to pursue their projects. Now, the challenges crop up when the companies are trying to grow and they realize that they can't set up a centralized data governance or data policies when they have this model, and that's when they see the challenges coming up. The third model is a combination of the first two, and this one is called the hub and spoke model. Now, the reason this works very well is that both the hub and the spoke have their responsibilities very well demarcated, which means the hub or the COE works on areas such as data strategy, data vision, setting up teams and the tools. And the spoke, or let's say the teams which are working closely with the business, their responsibility is to basically get the use case and the business case done and also work on deploying the product once it's built. Now, usually this model, like I said, works very well, but sometimes there are a few gray areas, as we call them, which do come up. These gray areas include areas such as who owns the products once they are built, and who owns the, let's say, the program execution piece when they are undergoing any change management or any other sort of change request. But these are issues which get sorted very easily, and I think that this model is one of the best which I have seen in my career. Now, I'm sure there are more models, and those models work equally well. Please feel free to put those in the comments below. We'll be happy to read and discuss. And I really hope you found this video useful. And thank you so much for watching.